Hey Eagles, I'm Allie.
And I'm Alaina.
And today we're going to be showing you how to bake s'mores bark.
Let's get to it.
The first thing you're going to do is put your graham crackers into a gallon Ziploc.
Then crush them up with your hands. If you need some help, phone a few family members or a friend.
Meanwhile, you're going to melt your butter in the microwave in increments so that it doesn't burn.
Once your butter is melted, pour it into the crushed graham crackers. Mix well until it looks something like sand.
Once it's fully combined, you're going to pour your mixture onto a 9x13 parchment-lined baking pan and pack down. Hopefully yours looks something like this.
You're then going to sprinkle 2 cups of mini marshmallows onto the graham cracker and butter mixture. Yum! Looks delicious!
Ooh. You're going to put your marshmallow and graham cracker into the oven at 325 degrees for 10 minutes.
Once it's in the oven, you're going to melt 3 cups of chocolate chips into the microwave.
While your chocolate is melting, you're going to take your marshmallows out of the oven. They should be nice and toasty.
Then take out your chocolate and pour on top of the graham cracker and butter mixture.
Once all of your chocolate is nice and smooth, you're going to sprinkle mini marshmallows and your leftover graham cracker crumbs on top of your bark.
Once you're done with that, put it in the freezer for 1 hour. After an hour's up, take it out. It should be firm and easily break.
Look how yummy.
This looks like it's gonna melt in my mouth.
Wow, those marshmallows. I can't wait to try it. Thanks for watching, Eagles.
Bye.